Good afternoon, everybody. It's Monday, April 2nd, 2018. I am East Coast Weather Authority's meteorologist Mike G. And it looks like there's been some talk about snow potential for North Carolina and Virginia heading into this weekend. And I'm here to explain pretty much what we think is going to happen and what the facts are. Sometimes these videos are better to explain things than typing out drawn on paragraphs on social media that nobody really reads. So what we're saying is that somebody could see something that'll stick. More likely up here in the Virginia, not so much down in the North Carolina. Although maybe as far south as Greensboro could see the white stuff one again. And this is not a blizzard or anything significant. This is just a little bit of April snow, and that's going to be gone quickly. It's not going to linger around. The sun's gonna come out and it's gonna melt everything right away. So we're not going to be worried about that. Chances really almost non-existent down into coastal South Carolina and coastal North Carolina. But we're looking at just maybe momentarily some flakes falling as far south as possibly Columbia. But that's a little stretch of imagination because it's just going to be too warm down here in South Carolina. But the higher chances are going to be up in here. Even the 30% chance means that's a 70% chance it's not going to happen in Raleigh, and it's not going to happen just north of Charlotte. Charlotte itself only has a 10% chance. So that's not really too much to write home about when it comes to what we're going to see this coming weekend. So there's the GFS right there. It comes through on Saturday, maybe the Saturday afternoon, Saturday night into Sunday possibly, and we're looking at that little stripe of snow there across Northern Carolina and the Southern Virginia, and it heads into Hampton Roads. But if it does, I don't think it sticks at all. I think Southeast Virginia always gets kind of in a rip-off zone, so I would not expect too much to go on there. If anything, more likely Western Virginia, maybe Roanoke on the edge of the heavier stuff, but it looks like it's going to be in a kind of like a band across Virginia. Not so much North Carolina. Confidence from North Carolina is not really there. Why? Because the Canadian has everything up in Virginia, and it brings something through again in the 10th, 11th, and 12th, which is next Wednesday. So that's a long ways away, but right here, the Canadian only takes it through Virginia, so it's not guaranteed that's going to happen here in North Carolina. That's all for now. I'm Mike Griffith for East Coast Weather Authority. Everybody have a good one. Please subscribe to this channel. Please invite your friends here so we can get us 1,000 subscribers. Thanks a lot.